The girl who found a rainbow. Sophie lived in a small village surrounded by hills. Every day, she dreamed of adventure. One day, I'll find something amazing, she often said to her dog Lucky. One afternoon, after a light rain, Sophie saw a rainbow stretching across the sky. It was brighter than any rainbow she had ever seen. The colors seemed alive. I wonder where it ends, she whispered. With Lucky by her side, Sophie decided to follow the rainbow. She walked past fields of flowers, over a small stream, and into the forest. As she got closer, the air seemed to sparkle, and the colors of the rainbow grew brighter. Finally, Sophie reached the end of the rainbow. To her surprise, there was a glowing archway made of light. She stepped through it and found herself in a magical land. The sky was golden, the trees had silver leaves, and the grass shimmered like diamonds. Creatures Sophie had never seen before. Talking rabbits, flying foxes, and tiny glowing fairies gathered around her. "Welcome, Sophie," said a tiny fairy. "You are the first human to find the Rainbow Gate. Where am I?" Sophie asked, amazed. "This is the land of colors," the fairy explained. "We guard the rainbow's magic. But lately, something is wrong. The colors are fading. Why?" Sophie asked. "The rainbow crystal is cracked," the fairy said. "Only a brave heart can fix it. Will you help us?" Sophie nodded. The fairies led her to a tall crystal in the middle of the land. It sparkled but had a crack in the center. "How do I fix it?" Sophie asked. "Use your kindness," the fairy said. "Think of someone you love." Sophie closed her eyes and thought of Lucky, her family, and her village. The crystal began to glow, and the crack disappeared. The rainbow's colors returned, brighter than ever. "Thank you, Sophie," the fairies cheered. When Sophie returned home, the rainbow stayed in the sky a little longer, as if to remind her of the magical land she had saved.